Okay, so with the bias tape makers, you take this side that looks like the U and your fabric and the stick that comes with it, and you just kind of fold it over the tip and push through the middle, and then just grab the fabric and the stick on the other side and just pull on through and then pull back a little bit to retrieve the stick. And then on this side, just kind of work these up into the groove, pull a little bit, and soon it will be doing the first fold. I'll pull back out a little bit and do the same basic thing again. I'll take those where they're folded and put the stick there. I'll take this by the V-shaped end and I'm going to put it just to the left of where it goes in and push slightly to the right. That way it goes through the mechanism and you get your second fold. Then you can just push the two pieces together and continue to pull directly into your sewing machine or under an iron to get your fold.